Well, Tesla has a blind spot warning feature that alerts you when a vehicle is in your blind spot, and this feature works when you will turn it on. First, directly go to control and autopilot, and then directly you will see automatic blind spot camera on the touch screen. Image will be displayed when the turn signal is on. The touch screen shows the image from the side repeater camera on the corresponding side. You may also see warning signal. Here a red vertical bar appears on the image to warn you if a vehicle is detected in your blind spot. Right now it is available in all model and it is not optional.